Hi, my name is Susanna Vishels, and I am with C1 Broker. If this is your first time here at our channel, let me quickly introduce us. C1 Broker is an insurance broker, a specialist in expats and foreign residents in Portugal and Spain, and we are in the market since more than 30 years. I'm doing this video today because I'm a bit in a bad mood. I'm in a bad mood because a client was just in the office and he was telling me about the problems he's having with the bank. And unfortunately, we see this quite often. And then I thought, okay, I'm going to do actually a video because this happens to a lot of people and it's really important to raise the awareness for these issues. Now, the question is why the bank obliges you to take the insurance with them, especially when you take a loan or a mortgage. Well, they cannot do that, so I'll give straight away the answer, and now I will tell why. When applying for a mortgage in Portugal, it is important to be aware of the mandatory insurance requirements that accompany it. Both home insurance and life insurance may be requested by the bank, but it is crucial to note that customers are not obligated, let me repeat this, are not obligated to obtain these insurance policies through the bank. Instead, you have the freedom to hire independent insurance providers as long as the bank is listed as a beneficiary for the value of the loan or mortgage in the contract. Now, the bad practice of banks obliging clients to keep their insurance or to hire their insurance policies with them is a serious issue that has caught the attention of the regulatory bodies such as the ASF. In Portugal is the Autoridade de Supervisão de Seguros e Fundos de Pensões em Europa, the EIOPA, this is the European Insurance and Occupational Pensions Authority, and the Central Bank. These organizations have been closely monitoring the situation and have not been afraid to levy fines on banks that engage in this unethical practice. Unfortunately, this is quite common in Portugal and also quite common in Spain. It is unfortunate that some bank corporations, they continue to put their profits ahead of the best interest of their clients. However, the swift action taken by regulatory bodies serve as a stark warning that such behavior will not be tolerated. Unfortunately, bad practice when it comes to renewing insurance policies are all too common. We see it every week. The client requests cancellation of their home or life insurance contract from their bank upon renewal. The bank, in an attempt to avoid the 1-month period that the client must give before terminating the policy, will delay their response for as long as possible. Then, when they answer, instead of assisting their clients, banks often respond by stating that is simply not possible. It's not possible to cancel your insurance with us. They argue that the insurances are linked to the mortgage contract and must therefore be held with the bank. Well, this is wrong, it's illegal. And this behavior is deeply concerning and highlights the need for greater regulation and the accountability within the financial industry. It is critical that we demand transparency and fair treatments for bank customers to ensure that they are not exploited or taken advantage by these financial institutions. When it comes to cancelling their home or life insurance, clients face resistance from their banks. In fact, some banks may even go as far as threatening their clients, telling them that if they cancel their insurance, their interest rates will go up. And this is exactly what happened to our client, and this is the reason why I'm doing this video, to warn you that this is not okay. It's illegal. This, coupled with the fact that the only reason the clients got a lower interest rate according to the bank in the first place, was because they agreed to keep the insurance with the bank for the whole term of the mortgage. And this, of course, can make a very complex situation. A lot of people, when they receive a no from the bank, they just start shivering and they say, okay, I'm sorry, because they don't know their rights. You see, the financial industry is built, or should be built, on trust and transparency in dealing with clients and their hard-earned money. However, the issue of link sales persists, as banks are not allowed to sell linked products with mortgages, including insurances. But many banks fail to mention the long-term cost implications of bundling insurance with a loan. While the interest rates may seem competitive, the added insurance and associated fees may make the overall cost much higher than securing separate insurance directly with a broker or with the insurance company. So, ensuring that your insurance policies are separate from your loan could save you considerable sums of money in the long run, while still providing you with the coverage that you need. Clients like you deserve full disclosure and transparency in all their financial transactions, and it is a responsibility of banks, of bank institutions, to ensure this is always the case. Now, this is a serious issue that needs to be addressed more often in order to protect consumers and ensure fair treatment when it comes to insurance renewals. I hope this video has been helpful for you. My name is Susanna Vicious. My team and I, we are here at C1 Broker to help you and your family to navigate the complex world of insurance. I'm going to leave in the description of the video some links that are helpful, also some warnings directly from Brussels, from the EIOPA, that is the European Fund and Insurance Organization, that warns banks not to do these practices and informs customers of their rights. So if you have any problem with your current bank or with your loans and you want to take the insurance out of the bank, you can contact us and we will help you solve the situation.